Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto in Crypto.com. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Accounts tab. From there, select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. You'll then see options to transfer, which includes withdraw or deposit. We'll cover both sending and receiving, ensuring you understand each step for a smooth transaction. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. To send crypto to an external wallet, tap Withdraw and then External Wallet. You'll need to add the recipient's wallet address if it's new. Always double-check the address and ensure you select the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum or BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain, to avoid losing funds. Enter the amount you wish to send, review all details carefully, and then confirm the transaction. A small fee may apply. If you're receiving crypto from an external wallet, select Deposit in the app. This will display your unique wallet address for the chosen cryptocurrency. For some coins, like XRP or XLM, you might also need a destination tag or memo. Copy both the address and any required memo, then share them with the sender. Always confirm the sender uses the correct network to ensure your funds arrive safely in your Crypto.com account. For internal transfers between Crypto.com users, simply select Pay and then Send. You can send crypto instantly to other users by their email or phone number, often without fees. Remember, always double-check all details, especially wallet addresses and networks, before confirming any transfer to prevent irreversible errors. It's crucial for secure transactions. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.